Hello student, Teacher Gibo. Mag-aaral ulit tayo ng math. Tara! So our topic for today is all about mean, median, and mode of group data. Tinatawag din silang central tendency. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to calculate mean, median, and mode of the given group data. First, mean of group data. Previously, meron na kayong idea regarding mean. So, recall na lang tayo. Mean is commonly called the average. The mean of group data can be determined by placing the data in intervals. Step of finding mean of group data. First step, determine the midpoint, also called a class mark, of each interval or class. Second step, multiply the class marks by the frequencies of the corresponding classes. Lastly, step number 3, find the sum of the products divided by the total number of values. So, itong total number of values ay ito rin yung total frequency natin. Formula for mean of group data, that is, mean is equal to the summation of fx all over n. So, wherein x with bar is the symbol for mean. F is for frequency, x is the midpoint or class mark, n will be the total number of item or total frequency. Next, median of group data. Median of group data is also called the middle value in a given frequency distribution. So these are the steps in finding median of group data. Step number 1, construct the cumulative frequency distribution table or table. Second step, decide the class that contained the median. Class median is the first class with the value of cumulative frequency equal at least n over 2. Next, find the median using the formula. Formula for median of group data. So this is median is equal to LCBM or sub m plus the quantity n over 2 minus less than CF all over FM multiplied by I, wherein x with the curl is the median. LCB sub m means lower class boundary of median class. N over 2 means total frequency divided by 2. Less than CF means the cumulative frequency below the median class. FM is the frequency of the median class. Then lastly, N is the total frequency or also the total number of item. We have mode of group data. Mode of the group data is the value that is most appearing in a data set. It is the value with the highest frequency. So these are the steps in finding mode for grouped data. First, find the modal class. So ang tinatawag nating modal class is the class interval with the highest frequency. Next, step number 2, determine the mode using the formula below. So this is the formula. Mode is equal to LCB sub MO plus the quantity D1 over D1 plus D2 times I. So again, nakita na naman natin si LCB sub M or sub MO. That is the lower class boundary of the modal class naman. D1 means the difference between the frequency of the modal class and the frequency of the class interval above it. D2, that is the difference between the frequency of the modal class and the frequency of the class interval below it naman. I will be our class size. Okay, that ends the presentation, and thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction. Next naman ay ang activity or examples. Again,